Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add trusted connections in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Roblox app. If you're using a computer, make sure you open the Roblox app instead of the website, as this feature is available in the app. Next, tap More in the bottom right corner, then go to Settings and select Account Info. Scroll down and verify your age if you haven't already. Depending on your account, Roblox may ask you to take a selfie or upload a valid ID to complete the verification process. Once your age has been verified, return to the Roblox home screen and tap Connect. Then select My QR to display your personal QR code. To add someone else's trusted connection, tap the QR scanner icon in the top right corner of the Connect page and scan their QR code. Once they accept the request, you'll be added as trusted connections. After the connection is complete, you'll be able to access supported features such as voice chat and other age-restricted social features available between trusted connections, provided both accounts meet Roblox's requirements. So that's basically how you can add trusted connections in Roblox. That's it for this video. Thanks.